are desperate, Morgs, to snap that run of outs.
Yes, the quality of how they play hasn't been given the justice it deserved on the ladder. Alan Alatoa there and his team escorted onto the field through a tunnel full of the Win the Day charity kids. Great to see former Wallabies Joe Roth, David Gibb and Adam Ashley Cooper, Matt Giddo, Drew Mitchell there among the kids. And a special jersey, of course, with kids around, designed by kids.
The way that Geordie's been running the show in 2025 means it should be up-tempo and plenty of ball in play. Good ball in play as well. Here we go. The Drua up against the Brumbies in Canberra. Wider now for Toole. Toole freeing up some space for Kale. Has Pollard on the outside. Kale somehow stays infield. Shaw off for Hooper. Hooper.
Okay, advantage over 9.
Advantage over for the Brumbies. Icky Tau. One off. And he gets it.
Advantage.
Icky Tau again. Shaping to the outside. Looking to free it up. Icky Tau. Has he got it down for another? Let's play on. He's short. Lonergan. Lonergan gets there. Back-to-back scores for the Brumbies. As they love to do. Oh, so easy.
Good. Use it.
Alatoa, a try scorer last week, lays this one back for Frost. Penalty advantage. Lolosio over the top. It catches a hand. Tidied up by Leniki Tau. Head tap before being tidied up by Donge. Lolosio.
Ball's available.
They're missing the last 3 weeks for the Brumbies. Drawing himself tonight, right. Muirhead on the outside, right. Holds it up for Andy Muirhead. And the Brumbies are rolling heavy in this first half. Lamani, will he just keep the touch? Yep, they've had enough now. It goes across the sideline, and at the turn in Canberra, it is the Brumbies leading the Fijian Drua 28 points to 7. We are off and moving once more as Marcio sends a restart deep. Taken well eventually by the Drua. Murray under the net. Great stop there from Muirhead, but on come the Drua once more. 6 short. Lamani. Donge. Lamani. Armstrong Ravula. Massey gets a miracle ball away. Oh, it's a stunning offload out the back of the hand to Murray. They took down the previously unbeaten Chiefs last week for their first win of the season up in Lautoka. Now for Vode. Lamani.
Run off your feet.
Penalty advantage here for the Drua. Armstrong Ravula kicks it in behind. Tani Ferre with the pickup! And the Drua.
Ball's out. Use his hands.
Excellent work from Tom Wright. Beats one, beats another. Still going, Tom Wright. Now infield he heads. Tom Wright looking for support. He sends one wide right. Muirhead's there. Icky Tau on the outside for his third. Oh, that's special. That's top draw. That's magic from Wright and the Brumbies. And Lenny's got 3. The Drua, well formed. Frost swings round the corner. Is illegal. He pulls out under the instructions of Geordie Wade. Still there with the Drua. They surge once more. It's a try. And Canavera off the bench has 2.
7 yellow card. Off field review. High tackle.
I'll tell you what, there'll be a strong chance that'll be upgraded to red.
The Drua coming around the corner looking to disrupt. The Pugh can go
Shepherd, they're
close.
standing in front of him.
Inches away. Frost is at the back.
I can't shepherd him.
Frost short. They keep working. Short side again. Second effort. Centimetre shy of the line. That looked good. Try. Try Brumbies, the bonus point score.
Try's good.
Try's good, and it's Meredith looking to ice it here. Meredith. Oh, that's a bad miss, but never mind. The Brumbies go through as big winners in the end in a highly entertaining game in Canberra. Full time at Gio Stadium. The Brumbies take down the Drua 38-21.